Jai Shri Ram viewers. So today again I'm back with some novel advanced words. So what are you waiting for? Bring your notebook and pen and start noting down. This is Ritika Peri before you from Learners Point Online Spoken English Center. So the first advanced word is iffy. I-F-F-Y, iffy. This is the advanced word which tells you about uncertainty. Like when you use the word uncertain or full of doubt, so in place of that you can use this word iffy. How can we use it? You can use it in a sentence like, I'm not sure about it, so I'm iffy about it. Or suppose if you are not certain about any quality of any product or any edible things, so there also you can use it. That you can say that I feel iffy with this product, or the smell of this butter is iffy. Like you are having question that whether it is fine or not, eatable or not, right? Now the next advanced word is petite. Petite replaces the basic word small or tiny, so there you can use the word petite. How can we use it? I have a petite room where I think that everybody cannot be adjusted. Now the next one, capacious. Capacious is used where we talk about a big place which can hold a lot, right? Like it can be replace the basic word roomy or spacious. The word is capacious. Now the next one, astute. Astute is the advanced word of smart. A-S-T-U-T-E. Astute. Smart in the sense sharp-minded, like clever and sharp-minded. Okay, so my children are astute and they really use their presence of mind whenever any question is asked. Next word you can take, somber. Somber, meaning of somber is sad, disappointing. So if you have to say that the situation is really disappointing, so you can use it here. This situation is somber. I really did not expect this from you. Okay, or you gave a somber answer or a somber reply, like disappointing answer or a reply. Okay, next one, tired or extremely tired. There we can use weary. W-E-A-R-Y, weary. Full weekday, I really become weary. So weekends, I wanna enjoy and want to sleep a bit more. Happy. Happy is the basic word. We can replace it with advanced words. The words are elated, euphoric, gleeful, cheery, merry, and many more are there. So try to use these advanced words, include it in your vocabulary and enjoy English. And yes, summer camp is going on, so please get your children enrolled in that and let them have fun with some learning. Meet you all in next video. Toodles everyone, follow for more and to subscribe my channel, and please comment below. Bye bye, take care.